Morning guys, so we are back in the BMW e28 that we purchased last week. It's been Christmas, so there's been a slight break, but our friends over at R-Tec are back today and we're going over to see them and see if they can't help us put a new exhaust system on the back of the car. As you can hear, it's a little bit drony. When we picked the car up, somebody had actually bodged up the back box quite badly. We did contact BMW to see if we could get a genuine one. They said there's a 2-year wait on them. So we're not going to wait 2 years. We're a little bit impatient and like to get these things done quickly. So we're going to head over, see if we can't do something that resembles the OEM look, but maybe just a little extra. Stick with us, see how it goes. Bring it up. I want 2 pipes like what it originally has, but just straight cut, okay? So nothing fancy.
I can upstairs and do this, huh?
Chop over.
Yeah, show me what's upstairs.